excited. Hier schon da! Gemeinde Santa Cruz.
Got some of our friends from Austria here doing a little visit. What we have here is the line of assembling the frames. So these are all the things that go onto the frame. These are all the parts just to build up one frame.
The ends of the axles themselves are slotted, so when these are screwed in, the taper expands the slotted part of the axle and locks it in place.
There's only so much you can do while it's still cooking, but you can see that this is custom made to put a fork here. Oh yeah! The response to our wheel program has been more robust than we thought. So all the carbon wheels, like the ones Steele's working on here, are completely hand-built. As a result, we actually just installed the third assembly line for wheels. But what happens out here is we have people loading spokes into the hubs. And once they get loaded, we rubber band them together and they're staged and ready for building. They're mounting tires, cassettes, brake rotors, getting the bikes ready. And then all over here, the handlebar assembly is done. All the componentry. So we get like a lot of our componentry, our forks, and we just get them black, and then we put the decals to order on there. That really helps us control the inventory.
Santa Cruz, baby!